lwa MWALA kuzoa kwa amazi mwangala Bulozi LIKOMU kayona kinako hape lumitisizanga litukiso za Makande Mwa Silozi miluka kenela fela mwalitoho depanga Makande LITUNGA UINGA MUSIPILI wa KUKUTELA kwa LEALUI BAUTI BALIKOMU BABILAEZWA KUKWALWA kwa KUZAMAISA LIMUNANU MWALA KALALUKA BAHANA LITABA za KULI BASIHILWE fa MUKOLOKO wa LIKETISA ni Makande kakutala mubali kina Mike Moya LITUNGA lubosi imwiko wa bubeli uingile musipili wa KUKUTELA kwa mulenengi wa LEALUI kuzwa limulunga momukiti wa kufuluhela ili kalulo yebutokwa musipili wa kuzwa limulunga kuya LEALUI usupeza chincheho ya kufela kwa nako ya munda.
The annual KUKWALWA has once again taken place as the LITUNGA moved from Limulunga Royal Village to LEALUI Royal Village, following the receding of flood waters in the BAUTI plains. The tradition journey is an important part of the Lozi cultural calendar, signifying the transition from flood season to the dry season. It also marks the LITUNGA's return to LEALUI, the tradition seat of the BAUTI kingdom during this period. During the KUKWALWA, members of the BAUTI royal establishment and the public gathered to witness the royal procession, which carries deep cultural and historical significance.
Butoko bakufuluhela kibomu tunahulu kakuli hakukoniko banikomboka haiba njikusafuluheliwi. Mikamla onisizo saserozi kwanda kuli kuna niliba kaleli tunahulu leo likapa eliswa malozi kufuluhela. Miyo na molu tolokela kuli hakusika wafuluhelwa uzibe kukava ni butata wakuli kube ni mkiti wakomboka silimo sestatama mundani haukava omungata. Chwale kisizo kona malito wa mahanyelizo na chwalo kubako kubaikale mane kutofita niliza zelaka chenule mi kusasebeza chwalo hape.
The movement of the LITUNGA between Limulunga and LEALUI is a practice that has been preserved for generations.
Baba utali munanu LIKETISA mongu mabulozi babonsize nongosi kwa manani kutuheliswa KUZAMAISA LIMUNANU kili lukola fisheries and livestock ili kamulelo wakufeza kuyanduluka kwa butuku wa foot and mouth bo buziyeza LIMUNANU zasonasina LIKOMU, LIPULI, LINGU ni LIKULUBE. Bangi BALIMUNANU bataluselize Bulozi TV kuli tabaye iziyeza bwino wabona kutoloka kuli baitingile fakula ikisali LIMUNANU zabona kukonela mabasi yabona batalusize kuli bafumana butata kutusa bana babona kwa likolo kuleka sicho kapa kuleka miliani ya kwala fisali folofolo zabona haiba likenelwa kimatuku zeoni hali lichwalo lilukola veterinary mabulozi litalusize kuli wona muliani wa foot and mouth disease kuingile nako yetelele kubateni bakensa kuli uingiwa kwa linaha zemwe na hakuli chwalo liluko lisepsize kuli muliani ukabyo uvileteni kweliye iskafela kale.
For many families in Mongu district, cattle are more than just livestock. They are a source of income, school fees, and daily survival. But a government-imposed livestock movement ban aimed at containing the spread of foot and mouth disease has brought livestock trading to a standstill, leaving many farmers struggling to make ends meet. For cattle owners whose livelihoods depend on selling livestock, the ban has meant months without income, making it difficult for some families to have food, pay for school fees, and meet other basic expenses.
Tabaye iluzi yelize lunaba izifa bagansa kuli bana baluna ukena skolo lulifanga lulekisanga LIKOMU zenu lwabalifera balekama uniformu lwalekalibuka zeto kwa akafa kwa skolo nza kuchala kumene kuma bodi nukaba chile basamba bakola LIKOMU na kuseli yetelele haibele muliani wayo na baifumani ukupa kuliba koneku kulwalafi LIKOMU zaona kulikoneku kule kisasa na muno lekisanga kaya zawaizi lukanyanda huru kapamani arusazi bamuloka pirera kakuli zona luliko atenezulupilisa kapanji muliani wazona usikafu mana yake arusazi bakono
kuze aruzirehile fa mana una nikomo yezi rozo hola fa kwa soli kwa chara balo kwa na kwete kuna maloko na kukwala kuzala fisa handi komo kakolweza ngalo lekisize komo na kwa kuleka hande miliani ya kwala fisa handi LIKOMU
taba ya kukwala LIKOMU kintu lubiraiza huluka kuli kona folo piliseza bana baluna nalukuta akukula onto butuku mamulaka lwangaka komulo lekisa lwaleka hateli miliani kone to alisali likomuzali chefa keluzile asazi bakuli mashenyu kafumanaka alikomuzali na zekula cheba tusawulu bamusokoli bafumane muliani wokula sile likomuzaluna kufita kuline na kwete ngelu ingagamanifera na chwalo likomuzali na ngelu yishwa kuna de miliani ya afyosa.
Meanwhile, the Department of Fisheries and Livestock in Western Province says the efforts to secure the foot and mouth disease vaccine are progressing.
The control of foot and mouth disease mainly faceted on multiple control measures. One of them is vaccination. As government, we are procuring the vaccine, but it's just taken a bit longer because it's something that is out of our control because the vaccine is being sourced from outside the country. But I've got information that soon, probably by the end of next week, we should have the vaccine. And I would confidently say once we vaccinate, especially where the disease is currently prevalent, it will take just like 10 to 12 days post-vaccination and our people should be back in business. Okay.
The Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock introduced the restriction to cap the spread of highly contagious viral disease, which affects cloven-hoofed animals such as cattle, goat, sheep, and pigs. The ban took effect on 24th June 2026. Mike Moya, for Bulozi TV News in Mongo District, Western Province.
Babai papata kuyemela luena mwandu ya milao MWALA KALALUKA BAHANA LITABA za KULI BASIHILWE fa MUKOLOKO wa papati LIKETISA tuna za asilimo sa 2026 kutalusa KULI lipiho zeo litanezi kachwale KALALUKA baize abasika muhela kale LITABA zeo kuzwelela kwa katengo kakabonda za LIKETISA mwanaha konaka Electoral Commission of Zambia ECZ kabukuswani kwekeza kutalusa KULI kusanani nako ya kusikulula zona LITABA ze kachwalo basuswerize bayoyeli babona KULI basike bapumiwa kilitaba za buhata zeo lipotolowa famoya.
Independent Luena parliamentary candidate MWALA KALALUKA's candidature has raised questions following the release of the Electoral Commission of Zambia's final list of nominated candidates, in which his name does not appear. KALALUKA had earlier filed his nomination papers before withdrawing from the race. He later returned and re-entered the contest, raising expectations among his supporters that he would be included on the final list of candidates.
Yes, I'd like to confirm that on 29th May this year, I did withdraw from participating in the Luena parliamentary election as a candidate on an independent ticket and with a symbol being a plate. Now, that has since been rescinded, and we are now getting back to the ballot paper. The formal communication has already been done to the relevant authorities, indicating that desire that we want to rescind that decision of 29th May 2026.
The omission of his name from the published list has sparked concern among his followers, with some questioning the status of his candidature ahead of the 2026 general elections. KALALUKA has since refuted claims that he has been left off the ballot, saying he has not yet received the verification outcome and that there is still time for any necessary corrections to be made.
That you know, that you are aware of. So when you receive official communication in that regard, you'll be able to communicate. So for now, the plan for us is to continue with our campaign here in Luena constituency. Yes, we are not yet in August, and precisely 13th. This is today, I think it should be the 22nd or 23rd. Yes, so usually these are processes that people get engaged in second of processes where you are able to verify why am I not there. So once we get that official communication from the ECZ, we shall be able to make a plan and be able to update the nation on what exactly, and our people here, especially in Luena constituency, on what really is the situation and the circumstances that are led to that.
Reporting for Bulozi TV, Mary Matisana, Limulunga District, Western.
Sipatela sa Caleb Esnat Munzele stambekilwe kwa muso wana ha Zambia kiskwata sa abaya kusupeza muhato tuna makalolo ya kuchimbula pabalelo ya sipatela mwa Central Province. Kwambola kwa mukiti wakufamata mwa Sikirisa Kabwe baba bakwela bang'oli babahulu mwa Central Province wo Godfrey Chitambala basusweleza sichaba kubukeleza muyaho ni kubona kuli waitusiswa kaswanelo. Ni hako lichwalo kwambola kwa mukiti oswana baba kweli baetelela yona baya wo Hugo Hagen batalusize kuli musebezi wo upanga kalulo ya msebezi ya squata seo ili yeo ilela kuchimbula bwino walilalanda ko squata siberekela teni.
Thousands of residents in Kabwe's Mungawada are expected to benefit from the improved access to health care following the official handover of the Caleb Esnat Munzele Level 1 Hospital by Bear Zambia to the government. The newly commissioned health facility is aimed at improving healthcare service delivery, reducing pressure on Kabwe General Hospital, and cutting the long distances many people have had to travel to seek medical care. Speaking during the handover ceremony, Central Province Deputy Permanent Secretary Geoffrey Chitambala, who read the speech on behalf of the Central Province Permanent Secretary, called on the local community to protect the hospital and ensure it is used responsibly for the benefits of future generations.
The government has also provided the medicine, medical supplies, equipment and furniture to ensure quality service delivered. I would like to urge all health workers to provide the compassionate, professional and patient-centered care. It will be unfair to community if we fail to provide equitable services after commissioning this facility.
Zambia Vice President and Head of Global Health, Hugo Hagan, said the company remains committed to working together with government and development partners to strengthen healthcare services and improve the quality of life in communities where it operates.
Thank you to every person and partner who made this possible. We are proud to stand with you today, and we look forward to continuing this collaboration in support of improved health outcomes and lasting community impact. Thank you.
German ambassador to Zambia and UNFPA country representative described the project as a lasting investment in Zambia's future.
By strengthening healthcare services at community level, we take an important step towards ensuring that quality healthcare is available to all and that no one is left behind.
We are very proud to be part of the establishment of this facility, and we see this as a structural intervention to address what our data clearly defines as the triangle of harm: the intersecting crisis of adolescent pregnancy, gender-based violence, including child marriage, and HIV and STI transmission.
Others in attendance included Central Province Health Director Dr. Elijah Mtoloki and Mijelo Munzele, who donated the land for the project, has this to say.
We recognize that infrastructure alone does not heal. To deliver on our promise of quality care, this facility is adequately staffed.
What an a blessing from God to save human life. Where there is good health, definitely there is always good life.
Residents welcomed the development, saying the new hospital will save them both time and transport costs by reducing the distance they travel to access health care. The new hospital is expected to eliminate challenge maternal and child health care services closer to the community. Margaret Chota, Bulozi TV News in Central Province.
Lukaipumulisa ainyani mihalo kakuta lukazira pili matukso ya luna.
Chikulu, when they said Zambia went into default, did we lose our dignity?
Dignity?
Your sister has found the real question, Chipo.
Default did not take our dignity, Chanda. It took away the world's trust. In 2020, the world heard one word from Zambia: default. Default does not feel like a number. It feels like waiting. The school that cannot open its doors. The girl who is ready, and a country that cannot move. So we sent our best to the table. Debt restructuring bought time. It was not a cure. Someone had to do the hard work at home, spend less, and steady the machine that broke us. He took the hardest wheel himself. No one believed it would move. And belief is a thing that spreads. It did not take one strong man. It took all of them pulling the same way. They steadied the machine that broke us, and they are steadying it still. But we had to prove it to the world and earn back the trust we had lost. Trust, once broken, is not given back, it is earned. Table after table, he showed them what we owed and what we would do about it. Every figure, every promise, until, one by one, they believed us. That was a good day for this country. When the promise was made good, the trust came back with it. And trust is what turns a plan into something you can build. The plan that waited on paper becomes a school. The girl who was ready could begin. She was not finished. We were not finished.
So dignity came back?
Dignity was here, Chanda. What came back was trust. And trust is work you keep doing every day.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mungu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Mbuyuwana compound off Kagrava Road in Mungu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mungu and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongu. Contact us on +2609729265521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. Around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Vaituti babakuma fapalo ya 42 bafumana tuso yali tuto za bwikoneri kwa skolo sa Baulen Skills Center Mwalusaka kulatelela kuyahiwa kwa skolo kakuitusa mashelengi ya Constituency Development Fund yona CDF kabukuswani. Mulonga wa tolopo ya Lusaka utalusize kuli skoro se senesi ya hilwe kama sherengi afitelela 847,000 kwacha sifali tuto za yona ma certificates za buluti ni bupangi kwa vana ba 8 ni basali baba kuma 32 baba ituta Technical Education Vocational and Entrepreneurship Training Authority TVETA kabukuswani. Skoro se seo si nezu mahala skolo sa Baulen Secondary School nestisizwe kutisiza sichaba ni lituto ze kona kulifiwa kabunolo kwekeza lituto ze sondasi na Food and Nutrition ni Computer Studies kwa pata.
Lusaka City Council wishes to inform members of the public that 42 students are currently benefiting from skills training at Bauleni Skills Center in Lusaka Central Constituency through the Constituency Development Fund CDF. The Skills Center was constructed at a total cost of 847,071 kwacha and 51 ungwe using CDF resources. It is located within the premises of Bauleni Secondary School. The facility was established to provide residents with accessible and affordable skills training opportunities. A total of 42 students are currently enrolled. This cohort comprises 8 males and 34 females who are undertaking a certificate course in tailoring and designing. In addition to the Skills Center, CDF has also funded a 1x3 high-rise classroom block and a water reticulation system at Bauleni Secondary School. These projects have further improved the learning environment for learners and trainees. The Lusaka City Council remains committed to ensuring prudent utilization of public resources to deliver quality infrastructure and skills development programs across all resource bands in Lusaka.
Buhibaluna likandela likoni kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukso yaluna milu kaikupuza hape litoho zepanga Makande. Litunga UINGA MUSIPILI wa KUKUTELA LEALUI. BAUTI balikomu BABILAEZWA ki KUKWALWA kwa KUZAMAISA LIMUNANU. MWALA KALALUKA BAHANA LITABA za KULI BASIHILWE fa MUKOLOKO wa LIKETISA. Lwitumezi mwakona kubuhatukso ye nilitukso zaluna kaufela fa TopStar channel 120 ili mwalibaka za Mongu, Limulunga na Lolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, libaka zemu wasenanga, Kalabo, Mane nilufusa, amoho chwalo nilibaka, zeinzi mabapa. Kapa mwakona kulufumana falikepela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV. Fapila bomanjinela, kina Mike Moya minili, kozo.